PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
This is the afternoon edition of the ABC 3340 Weather Xtreme video. This is for Monday, the 28th of January. What a beautiful day today. Got some low 60s around here. That feels good, but wet weather coming up in the days ahead. We'll take that rain. Let's go to some Skycam shots this afternoon coming from the ABC 3340 Skycam network. We'll begin down in Tuscaloosa. A few high cirrus clouds around, but lots of sunshine there. Same story in Jasper. That's the view from the King Building looking southeast. And from downtown Birmingham looking north from the top of the Daniel Building. Really nice day out there, but clouds not that far away. You can see our big cold trough back over the west that's been producing some wild weather out in California and the western states, and that will be bringing rain to Alabama by tomorrow night. In advance of that, look at that warm weather over West Texas and parts of the western part of Oklahoma and Kansas. Readings up there in the 70s. That sounds good. And around here, numbers looking pretty good, too. Upper 50s and low 60s. And look at the cold air over western Canada. That is brutally cold up there. We'll sure keep an eye on that. Now, understand, these are 1 o'clock temperatures this afternoon. I see one up there as cold as 35 below zero at early afternoon. That's tough. This looks good. This is the QPF map. This is the expected rain across the country through Saturday morning at 6 o'clock. And, of course, all of this is the rain that will come tomorrow night, the rain that will come Thursday night. 2 events. And this is suggesting some 2-inch totals for the northern part of the state. The amount's lighter as you go down to the southeast. The bullseye, really just north of Muscle Shoals there, 3.4 inches. And we welcome that. Will we have any severe weather this week? I somehow doubt it, although on the Day 2 convective outlook, the guys at Norman have a slight risk now for northwest Alabama, about the northern half of Mississippi and points north. And true, there's a fairly dynamic system coming in here, but all of those storms should be elevated. The surface-based instability basically nil, so I just don't think we'll have any severe weather issues tomorrow night. And there's a look at our convective outlook for Thursday night, and again, that's got a risk over parts of Alabama, but it's the same deal. The instability very much in question. Now, that's going to be a really strong system dynamically speaking, but thermodynamically speaking, pretty iffy with that. Here's the model output. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at noon tomorrow, noon on Tuesday. Here comes shortwave number 1, digging down across the plain states at the surface tomorrow. Showers and thunderstorms moving into northwest Alabama at midday. The prime surface low way up north will go to midnight tomorrow night. The trough goes negative tilt, rotating through here, and there's the surface look. Nice band of showers and storms. But again, it's going to be coming through tomorrow night at a time where the stability will be just instability will be rather nil. And we think that will squeeze out about 1/2 inch of rain, and we'll take that. Wednesday, that system is gone. We'll clear, the sky becoming sunny. A little cooler, but nothing too cold for this time of the year. And then Thursday, here comes system number 2 rolling in here. And really, it's going to be a Thursday night event. There's a look at Thursday night. That thing looks awfully sharp. And again, if this were March or April, we'd be thinking potential for a major tornado outbreak, but it's not. It's still the middle of winter, and there's the surface look. It's got the surface low now near somewhere Paducah, Kentucky. And we'll see. That's a little better looking than what we saw this morning. Can the warm sector get up in here? It could, but we'll see. We'll hang on to a slight risk of severe weather with that feature Thursday night, but the rain looks pretty good. That should bring over 1 inch of rain if that's right. And then Friday, the system is out of here. And again, nothing extremely cool behind that. Highs will drop back in the 50s. For the weekend, weather looks fine on Saturday. A good deal of sunshine. Will be close to 60 Saturday afternoon. Sunday, a little moisture shows up west of here. We'll leave our forecast dry. We'll call it partly sunny. And then Monday, you can see the big action off to the west. Big trough coming out of the Rockies at the... and then on Tuesday, the 5th of February, there's the trough getting closer. And at the surface, there comes the band of showers and thunderstorms. Pretty cold air behind that. Check out that thickness packing back up in there. That's some of that cold air that's been in western Canada blowing down through here. So next week looks like another good round of showers and thunderstorms coming in here Tuesday. And then a change to colder weather right after that. Let's go trolling a little bit. This is the 8th of February. Good-looking trough off to the west. That looks wet. Maybe a few snowflakes in the backside of that. And at the end of the cycle on the 13th, polar vortex over Hudson Bay, and pretty cold for the northern part of the continent, but around here the upper air winds would keep that out. But again, hey, that's 16 days out there, and that is all voodoo. That's it for the Weather Extreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and of course we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.